The way they make it sound is that we're 2 to 3% Neanderthal and we're 98.4% chimp. That's what it makes it sound like.
No, that's so wrong.
That's what it sounds like. I'm not saying that's what they're meaning, but that's what it kind of comes across as.
No, dude, that would be no. We're 100% Homo sapiens sapiens. You cannot divide that up. You can't say we're 96% that or this. What all you can do is do a comparison and say, if you look at the genome we have, and we look at the genome a chimpanzee has, that 98.5 of the genes that we have on the chromosomes are going to match up. That's what it's saying. I mean, look at Homo chromosome number 2, and then look at chimp chromosome number 12 and 13.
According to the preliminary sequences, 99.7% of the base pairs of the modern human and Neanderthal genomes are identical, compared to humans sharing around about 98.8% of base pairs